I will talk about how can you enable people can add you with your phone number on your Discord app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on you down here. So when you click here on you, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you just click here on content in social here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here people can add you by phone number here. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean people can add you by your phone number. Enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.